We've been working on the engine repair at work, and we're just waiting on a water pump, which should be here on Tuesday. So I don't know, we might put the engine in and then back it out so we can work on something else, but we'll see what happens. But yeah, I'd rather just wait. It'll just be easier to put the water pump on. My car has been pretty down bad. I'll show you a video of what it sounds like. Or what it sounded like. The wheel bearings were absolutely terrible. Now I'm straightening these cotter pins. Trying not to break them. And we got it without breaking it. Oh, can't lose that. I don't have another one. And this lower ball joint also has a cotter pin, so. And I also just took this hub nut off. 1 second. Please hold. And boop. My sway bar link just kept popping out of the socket. Yeah, we just took it off. It's not gonna be a problem. I do want to replace that, and I feel like there was something else. It really needed new wheel bearings. The CV axle seal was leaking, so I'm glad we got the seal. And we did that, and we did the axle. But actually, Kimberly got me a new ball joint, so I'm very grateful for that. Yeah, I guess that old ball joint was probably just like a bad brand. The boot was just oversized a little bit, so it was really hard to get it on. But anyway, we eventually got the ball joint on, everything secured and done. It was cool hanging out with everybody. Tomorrow is my birthday and it's the weekend, so that's cool. Like, I feel like I need to do more things after work that make it feel like it just feels like a completely different day. Can you count how many times I've said anyway? But hold on. I love going to the beach, so that's what I'm gonna do today. And probably get some sushi or something. So yeah, come hang out with me. I found a plant with, it looks like it has some sort of fungus. I don't know, it's interesting. It was not a fungal infection. Their leaf gall is not fungi. It's tiny mites that feed on the leaf tissue. Feeding injects chemicals that hijack the plant's growth hormones. And then the plant responds by forming the swelling. It's crazy. Why did it do that? There's so many. They got a stall just for me. Ignore my messy room, but we're about to go to the beach. So let's go. funnier than 24? 25 is my big 25th. Good morning, everyone. It is now the day after Earth Day. I made some boiled eggs, cut up some green onion, got some tofu, and so I'm gonna be making miso for breakfast.
What the dog doing?
I'm waiting on a bulb for this one. Everything else looks the same except that.
Yeah.
This clip is missing.
This rubber piece in here, and that'll keep their headlamp from shaking at night. RTV will just sitting there. They'd have to buy a whole this piece because it's cracked. Even if we put a retainer in there, it won't hold it, so that'll help them out at least.
Yeah. Now we're doing an alignment. Look how off that is. It's even worse than mine was. This is what it looks like to drive it straight. We're gonna do a caster sleeve. Does that look straight to you? Looks straight to me. So we have coolant everywhere, so we still need to clean that. But ball joint.
What the dog doing?
My first alignment turned out pretty good, ignore my chips, but I mean, we fixed the toe, that's a big difference, but the steering wheel is still off, so let's do this again. See what I mean? It's not perfect. That's after the first alignment, I don't know how it's that bad. And by the way, the new hub and bearing and axle, and another hub bearing and axle. Before it was as straight as a pretzel, but we're pretty good now. I'm scared of frogs. Like, I used to play with them when I was little, and they're cute and adorable. Like, actually, I still have that, but like, I feel so bad. By the way, did he jump in there? You're gonna have to watch me overcome my fear of toads right now because this is cool. I don't want him to jump at me. That's what I'm afraid of most. Because like, you don't know when they're gonna jump. Because if I knock it over, the soap's just gonna fall on him. I have to like touch him. I don't have to. This is so dumb. I know it's dumb. Okay, this is ridiculous. I know it's ridiculous. I've done way scarier things. I really like need to talk to God or something. Like, okay, I did it. I did it. I'm gonna look back on that and watch this video and laugh so hard, but oh my god, it genuinely was so terrifying for me. Oh my god. Okay, are you guys ready to see how bad they are? Yeah, I mean, by the way, it's not the perfect car. Like, I've done some touch-up paints. Eventually, it might be cool to have a project car. Yeah, we need to get this done. I don't really use it that much. I might just repurpose it for this. Okay, there we go. I think that's gonna work for now. It's crazy. Yeah, a car wash is not gonna clean this. I don't know if I can even clean all of it, but I'm gonna try. Like, I don't have a pressure washer or hose, so I'm just doing the best I can. It's not gonna do what I was wanting to, because how am I supposed to get in there without like oh hey, I mean, I thought I was gonna need a toothbrush for that. I mean, even that's better than it was. Look at that. It's so satisfying. Okay, it is way darker out. I did end up finding like a smaller scrub brush. I mean, it looks way better than it did, you know? So a lot of this like dirt, this residual down here, like is heavier duty. I would need like an actual scrubber to get that, and I don't have one right now. So that'll have to be a later project. And then I wanted to do the Ultima as well because this is pretty dirty. Bumper is pretty damaged, but I did replace these headlamps recently. They look a lot cooler than the old ones. I wanted to check on one more thing today, and that is one of these turn signals are not working. So that turn signal is working, and I'm seeing on my car the side signal's working, but actually do both of the actual turn signals not work? I'm getting nothing on both sides. So that's definitely making me think it is a wiring problem. This has been in a few wrecks, and I did see some like, it looks like someone's been in here before and did some wiring repairs, so I might just have to look at that and see, because both of the turn signals aren't working and I didn't know that. So I think I should go do a car wash real quick. So let's go do a car wash. I was looking for the oil filter for my Sable, but they didn't have it, so I'm just getting one for the Ultima. And this smells really good, so I'm getting that. And raspberries, dragon fruit. I don't see them all the time, so the car wash was closed. It's too late, so yeah. Went on a little sidewalk quest.